In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the color of your app icons on your Mac. So first things first, you need to check what version of the operating system that you're running. And the easiest way of doing that is going in the upper left-hand corner and clicking on the Apple icon and then go to System Settings. Once you're under System Settings, like you see here, go to Software Update under General over here on the side and make sure that you're running macOS 26 or later. So if it's 26.1, 26.2, or obviously if you're watching this when 27 or 28, then you're good to go. The next thing you want to do is right here under your system settings is over on the left-hand side, you want to go from General over to Appearance. Once we're here under Appearance, you can see something here that says Icon and Widget Style. We have one that says Default. That is just the normal default color for all of your apps. And if we go down here, we'll see all of the apps look normal. Then we have Dark Mode, which is the one that I prefer, which turns everything kind of dark and black colored here. And then we have the Clear or Transparent option, which I don't prefer, but you can see it turns all of the app icons see-through. And then we have the one that changes the color or the tint. We go to Tinted here, as you can see, and then the tinted color right now is green, but right here where it says choose color, where icon, widget, and folder color, go to the drop-down menu and you can choose between red, orange, yellow, and all of these colors here. So I can give it a blue tint, as you can see here, and it's not just these apps that are in my dock. If I go to the Spotlight or Spotlight search and I search for apps, I can go here and take a look at my apps. You can see whatever color that I change it to here in System Settings. If I go to purple here and then I go here and go back to apps, you can see those right here, those apps are changed to whatever specific color or tint that I choose. Now, there are third-party applications that allow you to do this in a more specific and granular way. I will try and put links to a couple of those in a pinned comment down below. But with that said, that's how you simply and easily change the color of your app icons on your Mac computer. This works on both laptop, desktop, doesn't matter. As long as you have macOS 26.0 or later, you are good to go. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.